Hey friends, today I'm unboxing another product, and this one is a power strip surge protector extension cord. So what's kind of cool about this, and I've never seen before, is it's a vertical multi-socket. It's got your regular plug-ins with ground as well as some USB ports in there. So that's the box. Let's get into the nitty-gritty, shall we? Open this thing up. All right. Okay. Kind of a cool color. Now these come in different colors also. There's a blue one, a blue and white, things like that. Okay, there's the main plug, or the device itself, and that's the rest in the box. Okay, so it has a warranty card and some instructions. Do we need instructions? Yeah, maybe. Alright, let's get into this thing here, shall we? And you can grab this off of Amazon for about $23. I'm going to leave a link in the description below, a product link. You can go ahead and click on that. So, first impressions, it appears to be quite sturdy. I'm looking at, so we got 2, 4. It's kind of deceptive. We got 8 regular plugins, and then 4 USB plugins. Now these are 2 of them are 2.1 amps, and 2 of them is 1 amp. And it says it has smart detection, so you plug in your thing and it takes a little bit more amperage, the 2.1 instead of the 1 or whatever. Guess it can adapt to that. Also in the bottom here, I have a red button down there. You know, you never push the big red button. I just pushed it, so I'm not exactly sure what that does. It might be to tip over protection. Let me see if I can find that in the instructions here. Technical data, blah blah blah. Please, sorry. Keep away from children. Okay, that didn't really help me. I'm going to look under. This is just the. Oh, it's overload protection. So, it has too much voltage or whatever gets, you know, going through the lines. That's going to trip that, and I think that should be a reset button on that. So it's going to protect your devices from getting fried. So that's cool, because I have had my devices get fried before. When we had a lightning storm, we got a nasty power surge. That, what did it do? It killed my one of my air conditioning units and my oven, which was right during Thanksgiving. So it was not cool at all. So power surges are a good thing to have. So this is kind of neat, and also if you'll notice on top here, it's got a couple of buttons, and you can plug or turn these on and off, and this one controls this half of the device, and this button controls this other half. So that's pretty cool. You can turn those on and off at will. It also has some nice little grippers here on the bottom, so if you're sitting it on something, it's going to be fairly sturdy. It seems like it's going to be, you know, fairly rugged little device here. That is pretty cool. Alright, so what else we got? So another thing I like is that it's got a long cord. It says a 6.5 foot cord, so that is good. I'm going to actually check it out here. I like a nice long cord. You can always shorten your cord, you know, tie it off if you need to, but you can't always make it shorter. So yeah, that is definitely a 6 foot cord. Pretty cool. So long cord is definitely a bonus. I hate having a cord that's too short. So definitely a pretty cool little device here. Of course, I'll be doing a review if you're familiar with the channel. My unboxings is just pretty much give you a first glimpse of the product, and then I do a final review where I demonstrate the product and give my final thoughts on it. So as always, you could check it out in the description below. I'm going to leave a link here. And thanks for watching this video. Everyone have a great day out there. My goodness. And we'll see you when I do the review. Take care.